Have you ever met someone so genuine that like you had no choice but to like them? Well, I recently met Dawn, and I thought she was amazing the first time that I met her. We got to chatting and she told me about her makeup, and I saw her work and I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. Um, and to have someone that is so talented and so genuine that you feel at home with her. I've had so many people do my makeup, and sometimes I leave feeling empty. One thing that I think is so awesome about her is that you feel so full when you leave. She gave us an experience here today, and you don't get that with many people. You have 1,000 people on Instagram that does makeup, but not every encounter is as special as what I got to experience here today. I am so thankful for the opportunity to make new friends and also to get this face beat from the gods, honey. I want to say thank you to everybody, and also go get your face beat by her today.